Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Amazon Redshift, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Amazon Redshift, start by visiting the official Amazon Web Services website. Navigate to the Amazon Redshift product page. Click on the Get Started with Amazon Redshift button. If you do not have an AWS account, you will need to create one. Select Create a free account to begin the registration process. Fill in the required details on the registration form. This typically includes your email address, a password, and an account name. Proceed to the next step by clicking Create Account and Continue. You may be prompted to enter your payment information. Don't worry, you can use the free tier for the initial setup. Once your information is submitted, you will receive a confirmation email. Follow the instructions in the email to activate your account. After activating, sign in to the AWS Management Console with your newly created account. In the console, search for Redshift in the Services search bar. Click on the Amazon Redshift option. You will be directed to the Redshift dashboard. From here, click on the Create Cluster button. Fill in the necessary details for your cluster configuration. This includes name, node type, and number of nodes. Configure additional settings like database options and security settings. Once everything is set, review your configurations. Click on Create Cluster to finalize the setup. It may take a few minutes for your cluster to become available. Once your cluster status shows as available, you are ready to start using Amazon Redshift. Access it using your Redshift endpoint and the credentials you set up during the cluster creation. Congratulations! You are now registered with Amazon Redshift and ready to explore its features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.